society. So nowadays women is involving in every field, in political, in social, and in even she is entering in army and even in games field also. So we should raise the level of the women through education in our society. And if the women is educated in the family also will be very happy. All the children will learn the moral, spiritual, ethical values from their mother. So women education is very prominent in our society. So let us go to our unit 7, Women Empowerment, Bonsai Life, Part 2. Unit 7, Women Empowerment, be reading, Bonsai Life, Part 2. First session. Women Empowerment. Women empowerment includes the action of raising the status of women through education, raising awareness, literacy and training, and also give training relate to defense ourselves. Women empowerment is all about equipping and allowing women to make life determining decisions through the different problems in society. Empowerment of women is necessity for the every development of a society since it enhances both the quality and quantity of human resources available for development. See here a beautiful picture. The women are raising their hands. Women empowerment and achieving gender equality is essential for our society to ensure the sustainable development of the country. Children, see the gender inequality in picture. Women are the primary caretakers of children and elders in every country of the world. International studies demonstrate whether that when the economy and political organization of a society change, women take the lead in helping the family adjust to new realities and challenges. See here how many hands are there for the women to do all the work. Recap of Bonsai Life Part 1. The narrator returns home from work. She finds a letter written by her sister. When she reads the letter, her tiredness disappeared and her heart grows light. See how happy she is. Akkaya and Bavagaru have been planning to visit Kasi and Haridwar. On the way, they wanted to come to narrator's place. See the picture of Kasi and Haridwar. Akkaya and Bavagaru live in a village and Bavagaru is busy with his agriculture. See here, you can see agriculture lands in the picture. Nanagaru believed that girls do not need much of education. Akkaya studied up to 5th class. Ten years later, the narrator was born. A long time, Nanagaru changed his mind and sent the narrator to college. Now, she works in an office. Bavagaru was educated but chose agriculture on his profession. They settled down in the village. You can see the picture, the agriculture lands. Akaya brought so many things from village. Both sisters have different opinions regarding working woman and homemaker. See the picture of village woman and the working woman. Akaya believes woman needs education, otherwise she has to live under her husband like a scorpion under a slipper. So every woman must need some education to lead a happy life. Glossary. Children, let us see first meaning. Keen, eager, wanting to do something. Adapt, skillful or good at doing something. Third one, upset, unhappy. See the fourth one, children. Drudgery, hard, boring work. Divert, turn attention to a different topic. Pomegranate, a kind of fruit bearing tree. Stunned, that has not been able to grow. Next question, children. Perplexed, confused. Tend, take proper care of. Appreciate, realize the value and praise. Be reading. Bonsai Life 42. About the author. Aburi Chayadevi is a well-known feminist writer born in 1933. She has written many short stories and essays. She was awarded the Central Sahitya Academy in 2005. In her works, she illustrates women's life and their feelings. From the very start, Akkaya had been keen on studying, but Nanagaru did not educate her because she was not adept at oral arithmetic. Nanagaru had said, "Oh, she is a girl. How will studies get into her head?" and had made her discontinue her lessons, concentrating only on Annaya's education because she was uneducated. She got married to a man from a village, had to look after the cattle, keep the stove clean, draw water from the well. See here the picture. Women are drawing water from the well. A beautiful picture. Amma used to be very upset that Akaya had to go through such drudgery, realizing that Akaya was upset thinking of the past, and in an attempt to divert her mind, I led her to the balcony saying, "Come, let's go and sit outside." You can see a beautiful balcony in the picture. Looking at the plants in the power pots, Akaya mentioned that all the cucumbers, drumsticks and gongura were from their own backyard. I asked her to send some gongura seeds the next time someone came this way. Children, see the beautiful picture of cucumber, drumsticks and seeds of gongura and gongura plant. So it's all are so green. But Amulu, what is this? Why have you planted the turai and pomegranate trees in these power pots? See how stunned they have become. If, like flower plants, you put these trees in pots instead of letting them grow freely in the backyard, how will they grow? She asked, surprised, feeling sorry for the trees. I burst into laughter. Akaya was perplexed. See the plant of pomegranate, a beautiful bonsai pomegranate plant in a power pot. Children see a beautiful house and outside a big tree. I did it on purpose. It's a special method. It's called bonsai in Japan. You can grow even a huge banyan tree in a flower pot. You can grow it even with its roots hanging down from the branches. You have no idea how beautiful a pomegranate tree looks when you keep cutting its branches, changing the pot now and then, trimming it into a small sized tree and making it bear fruit. Do you know how carefully you have to tend this small tree? Bonsai is the greatest art, I said. But it seemed as if Akaya did not appreciate what I said. I don't know. You have confined a turai tree to a flower pot when it could have grown to the height of a building, she sighed. Children see both the sisters are talking and they are looking at their phones. Nice, they are sitting and enjoying their life. Unit 7, Women Empowerment, Be Reading, Bonsai Life Part 2. First session, Reading Comprehension. Children, see the first question. Why was Akaya was perplexed? Answer. Akaya saw bonsai trees in Amulu's balcony. It was for the first time for Akaya to see trees in pots. She felt sorry for them. She asked Amulu innocently how these trees would grow in pots. Amulu burst into laughter at the ignorance of Akaya. That added to Akaya's confusion. So she was perplexed. Second question. How is bonsai reaped? See the answer, children. Bonsai is the greatest art form Japan. A tree is planted in a flower pot. Its branches are, as they grow, cut regularly. The pot is changed now and then. Trimming is continued in a very careful and systematic way. Bonsai trees are thus grown. It's a famous art even in India. Third question, children. In what way is the narrator more fortunate than her sister? See the answer. At the time of Akaya, father was against higher education for girls. But after a decade, he changed along with times. So he allowed the narrator to go for college education too. That way, the narrator is fortunate. Children, see the fourth question. Can anyone be independent without a job or earning? Justify your answer. Answer. No. One cannot be independent without a job or earnings. So every girl or woman must do any job regarding her development. Without job or without any earnings, no one can give respect at home. Children, did you understand what is women empowerment? And very important for the girls to study and get a job. So, education is very important for girls. If you have nice education, you will get a nice job. If you get a nice job, you can get respect from home and from society, from everyone. So, children, all the girls should study and get a nice future. Thank you. Have a nice day.